A flashing green light on your AT&T Fiber 5268 router indicates that the device is attempting to connect to the internet. This flashing is completely normal during the initial startup process. However, if the light continues flashing for more than 3 to 15 minutes, it indicates a connection or authentication problem that needs attention. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is to reboot the router. Unplug the power cord for 20 to 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Avoid using the reset button at this stage. Next, check all cable connections, especially the Ethernet cable between the router and modem. Ensure all connections are secure and that cables are not damaged or loose. If the problem persists, try a complete power cycle. Disconnect all cables, including the power cable, wait a few minutes, then reconnect everything in the proper order. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most flashing green light issues. If the problem continues after trying these solutions, more advanced troubleshooting may be needed. If a simple reboot doesn't resolve the flashing green light, the first step is to check for service outages in your area. This can save you time troubleshooting a problem that's beyond your control. If there are no service outages, a factory reset might be necessary. This involves holding the reset button on the back of the gateway for about 15 seconds. Important note, this will revert all your settings to default. Some users have found success by putting the PACE 5268 AC in DMZ Plus mode and disabling the firewall. This is an advanced solution that requires accessing your router's configuration settings. You can also use the AT&T Smart Home Manager app for managing and troubleshooting your AT&T gateway. This app provides convenient remote access to your router's functions and diagnostic tools. Regular router reboots and secure cable connections can prevent many blinking green light issues. Maintaining your network equipment properly reduces the likelihood of connection problems. As a last resort, contact AT&T customer service or technical support for further assistance. They have access to advanced diagnostic tools and can help resolve persistent connection issues.